Hello guys, here I am today with my two granddaughters. This is Zuri.
Hi.
And this is Zoe. A piece of plain paper, a little square of red, we have our green and black crayon, a pair of scissors, and some yellow paint, and of course our handy dandy paintbrush. You got the paintbrush, Zuri? Here it is. And we are ready to begin. So, first thing we're going to do, I'm going to ask Zuri to make a line across the paper about here, and oh, very good. And please color this section of the paper for me. And while she's coloring that, nice and solid, no white spaces, okay, Zuri? Zoe is going to paint her hands open, and does that tickle? So Zuri is just finishing up her farmyard, and Zoe is ready with a yellow hand, and she is going to spread her fingers wide and stamp every finger down, pressed down. Good job, Zoe. Now take it up. Ooh, there. So now both hands have been stamped. The secret is to make sure there's lots of paint on the hands so that you get a good firm stamp on top of the wax crayon. If you use pencil crayons, it will be even easier to stamp. Now, my square, I'm cutting off a corner and a matching corner. So the new shape looks like that, only at the top. And we are going to put some glue, just that's right, just a lot, just a dot, not a lot, okay, in the corners. And we are going to press that down right over here, just a dot, other way, turn it around and press it down. Good. Then we're going to use the black crayon, and we're going to draw over the roof of the building. Can you guess what this is?
A farmhouse.
That's right. It's actually called a barn. So that's our barn, and here is the big old barn door. Zuri, can you make an X in this barn door for me, please? Careful, watch out for the paint. Still not dry. Nice and firm. That's it. That's our barn door. And I'm going to put a window above the barn door. That's the window. So that's our farmyard. And what about this down here? I am going to ask you, Zoe, to add, how many legs does a chicken have?
2.
Very good, very good. So you're going to add 2 legs. 1, go ahead. That's right, and 2. Press hard. 2. Yes, and 2 toes. There you go. Could you do the ones on this chick for me, please? Put the legs on this chick. 1, 2. Right here. 1, and that's 1. Just try in our farm scene. We've added beaks, eyes, and the comb on the top of the chick's head. We just cut some little scraps of red paper for those details. And our farm picture is complete. Thank you, Zuri. Thank you, Zoe. Good job. Now you see if you can create your very own farm picture. Have fun.